Well, let's now get you up to speed with the top story. We're tracking from poll-bound Assam. Tea votes of Assam that are determining factor are now becoming a huge bone of contention. Here's why.
कड़क चाय का टेस्ट अगर कहीं है तो असम की चाय पत्ती के अंदर ही है और हमारे चाय बागान हमारी धरोहर है, मगर इसके अंदर काम करने वाले मजदूर इसके लिए कोई कभी नहीं सोचता था। इस बजट के अंदर मोदी जी 3000 करोड़ रुपए की योजना लेकर आए हैं।
The BJP wing the tea garden workers vote bank, but it's facing hurdles. In the 2011 Assam polls, the Congress won as many as 34 seats out of the 40 constituencies where tea community votes are determining factor. BJP won 2. In 2016, BJP won 32 of those 40 seats, propelling it to power in the state for the first time. The Congress won only 6. One reason for BJP's remarkable turnaround was seen to be its promise of increasing wages of tea garden workers from 137 rupees at that point of time to 351 rupees.
तेल चाल का दाम भी बढ़ गया है। अब तो 307 कितना रे हाजिरी 160 टका हाजिरा में हम लोग तो बच्चा पढ़ता है लिखता है, उसी तनख्वाह में हम लोग का घर चला नहीं पाता है।
But the BJP government did not fully deliver on this. The wages were first hiked to rupees 167 a day, and until 1 month back, when it again announced only a 50 rupees hike, that would have made the daily wages to 217 rupees. That too has been stayed by the High Court on a challenge by tea companies. Tea workers make up about 18% of Assam's population. Now the powerful All Assam Tea Tribe Students Association, or ATSA, have called for a strike across all tea gardens on 22nd of March, calling it a betrayal of the government.
बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट का इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो में था 2016 में उन लोगों ने बोला था जो टी वर्कर है उन लोगों का वेजेस 351 करने के लिए वो भरपूर कोशिश करेगा। 60 साल कांग्रेस ने भी कुछ नहीं किया। मेरे ख्याल से कांग्रेस को कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा, कुछ काम करने के बाद ही आदमी को विश्वास होगा कि वो लोग कर सकता है।
The Congress is trying hard to win back the tea votes in Assam because they determine who wins in at least 40 constituencies. Earlier this month, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's tea garden visit in Assam was followed by a poll promise to hike wages to 365 rupees a day. Kadak Chai is first turning into a Kadak battle. With camera person Sanjay Chakravarti in Guwahati, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.